Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kylie. What's poppin', what's good, what's going on? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. We're gonna start by priming our face using our e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I'm taking my translucent powder and lightly setting my face. This ensures my makeup will last all day, especially since I have oily skin. For brows, I'm taking my Morphe brow pencil and I am just going to fill in my brows. My brows came out so bad. I don't know why, but every single time I do my brows on camera, it just looks a hot mess. So we're just going to ignore that. By the way, I hope everyone is doing good. I hope you're healthy. I hope you guys are staying safe and wearing your mask. I hope you're all registered to vote because we cannot let Trump win. I'm sorry. We just can't. I'm taking my concealer just a little bit just to cancel out any unevenness that I have on my eyes. And I'm gonna take my Real Techniques contour brush and blend this out. I'm taking my Covergirl foundation and I'm not going heavy with the foundation. This is such a simple everyday makeup look. I don't want to kick the products on, so I'm keeping it very light today. Oh, and I'm using my Real Techniques buffing brush. I will have all the products linked below and I will try my best to link the brushes as well. I'm applying foundation to my forehead and I am just going to blend the extra on my eyelids to further even out my skin. I'm taking a concealer that's very close to my shade and I am just going to apply this under my eyes. I am not highlighting or doing anything crazy. I am just trying to achieve an even base. If you've reached this far in the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to share it with your friends. I'm taking my Sacha Buttercup powder to set my face and the areas that we concealed. If you want, you can use a pressed powder, but it's not my preference because it tends to get oily on me a lot quicker than when I use a loose powder. I am curling my lashes and I will be applying mascara. I will not be wearing lashes. I do not like to wear lashes on an everyday basis. Okay, I like to keep it simple but cute. To bronze my face, I'm taking my Black Radiance contour palette and I'm taking the Sculpt shade, and I am just going to lightly bronze my face. I am not contouring or doing anything crazy. We're keeping it very simple with this look. For lips, I'm going in with my NYX lip gloss in Ginger Snap, and on top of that I will be going in with my Milani lip gloss. This combo is so bomb, okay? You need to get both of these lip glosses, period. Oh, I forgot to highlight, and I also forgot to set my face, okay? Do not be like me. Set your face before you put on your highlighter. And I am just going to highlight my brow bone and my nose, not my face. I am not a fan of highlighter anymore. But yeah guys, this is the end of the tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. If you recreate it, please be sure to tag me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.